How computers work in less than 90 seconds. We all know what numbers are. Human beings decided that the number 2 represents two objects. But you and I could easily say, I don't like the shape of number 2. Instead, I want 0, 1 to represent the number 2. Instead of the shape 255, I want 8 ones to represent 255. You might say that's weird. Why would I use ones and zeros to represent numbers? Because now I can use electric switches to represent numbers. Off for 0 and on for 1. The number 255, which we decided is 8 ones, can be represented by 8 switches turned on. Okay, but why switches? Because I can use electricity to turn them on and off incredibly fast. In fact, under the hood, a computer has millions of tiny switches that can flip billions of times per second. Okay, I get it. We can represent numbers using electric switches. What does that have to do with computers? How do we go from everything else? Through a set of standards, we agreed that to represent the letter A, we use the number 65. The name Bob is actually just a series of numbers. For colors, we can represent any color using a combination of red, blue, and green. First number is red intensity, second is blue intensity, and third is green intensity. So pure red is 25500, and pure blue and green is as follows. Purple is 255025, mixing red and blue. Cool, we can represent letters and colors. How do we create images? Well, an image is nothing more than a series of colors called pixels. What about videos? A video is nothing more than a series of fast-moving images creating an illusion of motion. The programmer actually decides in his code whether the number 65 is just a number, say on Excel, or whether that is a letter, say on WhatsApp. So Instagram at its core is just millions of switches turning on and off to represent numbers that represent your photos, text, and videos. And if you're watching this reel, remember, the color black that you're seeing, that is just 0, 0, 0. 0 red, 0 blue, and 0 green, because black is the absence of all colors.